And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Cole Walker with this week's announcements. Progress reports are now available to view on Illuminate. Instructions are in this week's MAGA Connects. It's Parent Conference Week. That means we're dismissed from school early at 12:30 on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday is still a 1:20 dismissal. Carnival wristbands are available before and after school all week long. Sea Lions with a wristband get to access the inflatables, wipeout course, and more. We also have tickets for sale to gain access to the game truck, haunted maze, and other cool experiences. Go visit the table for more details. Sea Lion Chorus rehearsal is on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. It's National Unity Day on Wednesday. We want everyone to know that MAGA is a bully-free zone. We work hard to promote kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Wear orange as a way to show that you support a bully-free campus. The Great California Shakeout is happening at 10:17 on Thursday morning. Remember to stop, drop, hold, and cover. The PTA Carnival is happening on Saturday from 10 to 4. We hope you have a spooktacular time. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
Have a great week. Oh my God!
Hey, Sea Lions, we're super excited to announce that the PTA Carnival is coming back on October 19th. You can start to get involved by getting a wristband for a really reasonable price anytime before or after school starting on Monday, all the way up to Friday. You also can pick up some tickets to gain access to some cool experiences, such as the game truck and so much more. Oh, and the haunted maze. I want to thank all of our community members who've been coming from far and wide to donate materials so that our haunted maze is as spooky as possible. Speaking of spooky, some of you might want to show up in dress, but it's important that you look at the flyer that came out this week to make sure that your costume meets all the expectations that we have so that everyone can have fun. Friends, get involved in the silent auction. There's a lot of cool things up for grabs this coming weekend, including Principal of the Day, Assistant Principal of the Day, Custodian of the Day, Teacher of the Day, and so much more. I even heard that there are front row seats at a USC game in the press box that are up for grabs. That's something that you want to get involved with right away. Friends, October 19th, PTA Carnival. Let's have a spooktacular time.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick it off with a celebration for TK student from Mrs. Barr's class. Congratulations to Isaac Miklas. You are being so responsible by working so hard to be a good listener and to make kind choices. Keep it up, Isaac.
Kindergarten.
Miss Ray wrote a raw book for kindergarten student Reef McCready. She says that he was responsible, aware, and honorable by being his best and having a great attitude. Thanks so much, Reef, for taking school so seriously.
First grade.
Mrs. Monteleone is excited for first grader Frankie Schindel. She says that Frankie is an amazing student. She walks in the classroom, gets right to work, and always follows directions. Thanks so much, Frankie, for modeling how to be a super student.
Second grade.
Congratulations to second grader from Miss Line's class, Leah Carico. Miss LaBounty, our guest teacher, said that Leah was such an amazing helper today for another student in the class. Leah took on that responsibility with such grace and compassion. Those are some big words for a kind student. Thanks so much, Leah, for all you do.
Third grade.
It's about time that we celebrate third grade student from Mrs. Obert's class, Sophia Coasme. A guest teacher wrote that Sophia was consistent, responsible, and behaving so well. She was doing what is right even when others were not. We appreciate all that you do when no one's looking.
Fourth grade.
We have a unique situation, Sea Lions, where a brother and a sister are getting a raw buck. Congratulations to fourth grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Rachel Miklas. Miss Breedlove said that Rachel is setting a fantastic example of what active learning and participation looks like. Thanks so much for taking control of your learning, Rachel. We appreciate your leadership.
Fifth grade.
Our final raw buck goes to fifth grader, Iris Vasquez. Miss Cohen says that Iris saw a friend struggling with an activity, so she stopped what she was doing and helped out. She's also stayed to help clean up. Thank you so much, Iris. Your awareness really helped to make someone else's day so much better. We appreciate your leadership.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.